everyone. Say that.
Hi, we're going to make a tutorial. How we're going to make a video about chicken. That was the most important chicken, and that chicken is gonna make us many views.
And this is so good.
Ow, that chicken.
They have all grown up. And they're gonna hear Kuba.
My God, the chickens are going inside.
Let's travel. Yeah, we're not recording because we don't have time. Please subscribe.
Now, this chicken is young.
I'm assuming my name said a broom. A broom.
David don't speak in Kiswahili because we speak
It is that one who's speaking, right?
Can you bring for me?
I'm bringing for you gift.
I'm just falling down.
And let us go and give her the proof. Or she doesn't.
Ni vizuri anataka kuonekana vizuri pale.
Hey, what's the street?
Please subscribe.
Okay. Auntie, and don't speak it Swahili.
But you're going to
Look at this dude.
from there.
We have to cut the one you lay. The cookers escaped. Ready? Okay, have a great day. They're making friends. Look at this dude. They're all talking. But I know
Where you go?
have a great time. Please let me out. Please. I want to go and fight. I want to have some friends. Yeah. Until we are at the
Now, where is the chickens? Are the chickens sit here? Oh, look at these chickens. Can you record it, babe?
Look at this dude.
Look at this dude. Why are you stepping inside? What's happening? Oh,
Look at this dude. So fat.
that's your bed.
Okay, we cannot see no more. Look at him. So looking at all of you.
Look at that. They're coming.
Look at bad.
Eh, bueno. How does this smell bad? Look at you. Bye.
Napo kuna wifi. Please subscribe. Please like the button and comment.